Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. So I'm just coming on to do an unboxing for Your Creative Studio. This is my third unboxing for them now, and I'm really excited to see what they've sent me this time. I can't quite remember what month this is for. It possibly might be September 23 because there's 0923 there, but the video description and the video title will confirm it. But I'm really excited to show you, but also have a peek myself. Okie dokie. So as always, you get a thank you card, and this usually gives you a little bit of a clue as to what the theme looks like. And in this case, it looks like we've got lots of orange botanicals, orange butterflies, orange flowers. Let's have a little look inside. Okay, here we go. All right, what have we got? So we've got all of the stamps and washies in those envelopes. I'll get to those in a minute. So as per usual with Your Creative Studio, some stuff they've designed themselves and some things that they've curated, bought in from other suppliers, which go with the theme. So it looks like we've got some stickers, which I'm already loving the gold foiling. So I won't go through all of them, I'll just have a little peek. So we've got the flowers, different colours, orange, pink, whoops. Really love that gold foiling. So yeah, we're looking at flowers, we've got botanicals in there, ferns, daisies, butterflies. Love those. Gold foiling, can't resist some. Okay, so that's some stickers. Oh, we've got some rub-on transfers with the little tool. Now this is in Stamperia. This is in Your Creative Studio packaging, so it looks like they might have created these themselves from their own designs. So we've got some orange flowers. These are lovely. I haven't used rub-on stickers very much. I presume that is the tool that I use, so it will be interesting to give those a go. They feel really nice. It's kind of got not matte, but kind of like a very smooth texture, but not shiny. The stickers themselves, obviously the packaging is shiny, but the stickers themselves aren't, so that's interesting. Here, this is referenced as plant drawings. So let's see what we've got here. Again, I won't go through all of them because there's a whole heap. Ooh, these look like stickers, but they're almost like a vellum. So they're kind of vintagey. Oh, look at that one. That's got like a torn paper kind of effect. Oh, these are very nice. Well, there's another torn one, look. All with flowers on. So these are going to be perfect for a nice little project, aren't they? Loads here. Oh, I like this one. A little bit of a ledger on the back there. Yeah, whole bunch there. So those will keep me busy for a while. Okay. Oh, yes, lovely. We've got some postcards. I think these would be, yeah, these are paper. It's a book. And these would make nice, obviously you can use them as journal spots, but we could also back them to make journal cards. Further decorate them up, all postcards. Hopefully you can see those. I know I'm going through things quickly. Oh, nice vintage brown. Oh, I like that colour. Nice buff brown. There's a whole heap of those. I think there might be 40 sheets. Okay. This says flowers on it. So let me see what's in here. Of course, my mind is already whirring as to how I can use the packaging, but of course. So these are, oh, these feel nice. These are little bits of paper that you can use in collage, I guess. So we've got some nice blues. They've got a nice texture, kind of a rough texture to them. Some vellum. So it looks like we've got papers and vellum in the same styles. Ooh, I like this one. This looks a bit Edith Holden-y, doesn't it? With a vintage kind of vibe to it as well. I like those. So yeah, again, vellum of that design. So a whole heap of different designs. Nice colours, like pinks and blues and purples. It's a bit dark in here, so I'm hoping the camera is picking up the pretty colours. These are lovely. Yeah, so yeah, a whole heap, all different sizes. Well, that's very... reminds me of the Edith Holden scrapbooking paper I bought recently. Very nice. Yes, I do like those. Okay, so that's that one. I'll be busy for a while with all these, won't I? So again, we've got some stickers. These are designed by Your Creative Studio. Looks like we've got faux postage stamps with flowers on in black and white, which is very nice, very vintagey. I've got some more collaging papers here. I do love to use these in all kinds of projects, so this is wonderful. Keeping up my stock of collaging papers. Okay. Again, I'm thinking about how can I use that packaging. That's a nice little pocket, that. Oh, it's got bonuses in it. They were a surprise. Okay, so we've got all papers. These feel lovely as well. Nice paper. Ooh, that's interesting. It's like an exercise book, school exercise book, but in French. Ooh, very nice. These feel lovely. They feel really thick. Can you hear that? But really nice texture. Oh yes, I like these a lot. These are wonderful. All different colours and text styles. Oh, lined paper there, look. So yeah, these are... oh, and then we've got some plain ones at the back. Some nice texture paper, so that's sort of like a linen. That's a thick card, which has like a very rough texture to it. Another one of those. That's a nice like grey colour. And then some green. Ooh, that feels like a little bit like what handmade paper feels like. So those again will suit lots of different projects. And then we had these little like stickers, and so we've got days of the week stickers, and then some circles that we can use in collaging, and some labels. So different colours. I feel like I'm in primary school with those colours, with the red, blue, green primary colours. There we go. Oh, these are very nice. So these are designed by Your Creative Studio. So from all of the boxes that I've had, you always get their own papers. And of course, you know, we can use that packaging. Excuse the shiny. I'm going to put everything back in the packaging after, just to keep it together. But you always get these sets of papers in their own designs. I mean, how gorgeous is that? Hopefully the colours are picking it up. But it's all orange, pinks, yellows, and then this interesting pattern. So you end up getting a sheet each of like a paper, like it's a thinnish paper. So we'll go through the different designs to show you. Beautiful dragonfly, this wreath of beautiful flowers. I love these. These are gorgeous. These are right up my street. Nice flowers there, again with the... I love these borders that they've got. They look really, really interesting. I'm hoping you can see the detail. Looks like orange poppies. Very vintage one, this one. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. It's got all of the orange flowers and then this really gorgeous like burgundy red, rust red kind of colour. That's lovely. That's my favourite, I think, so far. And then this one with the orange butterflies. We've got the orange flowers. These are gorgeous. I love them. So you get the papers. Then you get the sticker papers, all in the same design. So those are the stickers. Then you get I think that's a thicker paper. So you get that. And I think oh yes, this one is textured. Oh, okay, that was the sticker. This is the thicker paper, but this one is textured. So you get textured papers. It's kind of like a linen effect paper. So that's those. And then, yep, same as before, you then get the vellum. in the same designs. So really fabulous. You know, the boxes are designed that you can just do a project right off the back from just everything you've got in one box. It's a monthly subscription, but you can just get the odd box here and there. These are designed by your creative studio as well. They are, I think they're stickers. Yep, I think they're stickers. And we've got the orange flowers for like labels, and I think these ones are faux postage stamps. It's got like the wiggly edge. But I really wish you could feel this. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on camera, but it's raised. They're raised. It's got like a really interesting raised bumpy texture. Like, yeah, it feels amazing. So that I've never seen that type of label before where it's textured. And then we have something else designed by your creative studio. Oh, look at that. I've never had stencils from them before. That's lovely. Look at that one. It's got flowers on it, but also some swells. And we've got some flowers and leaves. Now it seems, and we need to go through the stamps and washies as well, but it seems in this box there's a lot of stuff designed by your creative studio, which is really nice to see. Okay, so this is one of the cling stamps. Ooh. I'll go the other way because I really want to use these envelopes in something. Alright, we'll go that way. Okay. Oh, lovely. So again, the stamps are always with coordination. So if I hold it there, hopefully you can see it. It looks to be a bouquet of flowers, wild flowers. So we've got a whole bunch of stamps again. So I've definitely been building up my stamp collection with these unboxings. Okay, and again, if I try and avoid the light, hopefully you can see we've got a rose and some flowers. Oh, I like that one. It's got like a burst through it. Hopefully you can see it. Sorry, I'm just trying to, there we go. Got flowers and a burst through it. I almost would feel like that's label-like. And then little bitty diddy flowers there. Very nice. Another stamp. Oh, whoops, dropping it. And oh, this might be my favourite. It's a scroll. Flowers and a scroll. Can you see? See that? That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that one. And then last but not least, we've got the washi tape, again designed by your creative studio to go with, you know, with the kit, so to speak. Oh, it's very sticky. Trying so hard to preserve these envelopes. Okay, and here we've got, looks like orange flowers on it. Oh, orange and green. Oh, that's very nice. Gorgeous colours in this box this month. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing that unboxing. I do already have an idea of a project I want to do with it, because I've just shown you recently my my travel themed journal, and I really enjoyed doing a project with just a select amount of supplies and papers and just using as much of it as I could. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a sneak peek now, because we're going to do a craft along video using these goodies. And of course, you know, you can use it in any papers you've got. I'm trying to make this a craft along that anyone can follow along with. So essentially what I've got here is this Amazon packaging. It's the A5 size ones. So I want to have a journal, a notebook journal coming out of there. And then I want to find a way to use some of your Creative Studio envelopes to make some kind of flip outs on the front. So I might have more envelopes than this, but they would be flip out for like little pockets and things. And then I want to have like something like this in the middle, where this will either flip up or flip down. And this could have maybe the closure attached to it. Again, using the stuff from the box. Whoops, I've dropped my paper clip. There we go. So that's the kind of project I have in mind. So I've got that one, and then I also want to do a little diddy version using this. This was a die. I got dies in this, and I thought I could have a little notebook made from these chocolate wrappers. So I'm also going to do this as a little project as well. I don't know if I'll film both of them. I'll definitely film the Amazon one, because I think this one a lot of people would be able to follow along with, because you just need, you know, some kind of packaging, some envelopes and some kind of cardstock. So I want to do that, and I really want to just use these papers. So I'm thinking, you know, these gorgeous papers, for example, would mat the envelopes, and we could make, you know, ephemera with these pieces and things. So that's what I'm planning. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the unboxing, and I will come back with a craft along project very soon. So thanks so much everyone, and I'll say goodbye for now.